Hi everybody. I have never made a review or actually even talked on a video before, but I just got a Mavic Mini and I thought I would make a video to share issues I have been having with it. I am very happy with it, but some of the issues might be a reason not to buy for some people. I'll talk about pros and cons, but I'll only focus on the main issues. So starting with the pros, very important feature, it's super easy to fly. I had never tried to fly a drone before. I tried once at home with the prop guards and that was it. I went out and just started flying it. It is that simple. The controls are very easy and the drone is very responsive. One thing to have in mind is that even though it is very easy to fly, it will take some time to adjust to how fast the drone moves and turns. It is surprisingly fast and the jerky movements will make your footage look bad. I suggest you use the C mode or cinematic mode for filming, at least for a beginner. It will help to avoid these hard and sudden moves that ruin your footage. Another great thing is battery life. I have been getting always more than 20 minutes per battery. I never fly it when it's less than 20%, so I don't really know how much it actually lasts. But because I have the Fly More combo, it is enough for me. Also keep in mind, I've been flying it with temperatures down to minus 12 degrees Celsius, which might also influence the battery life. But the best about the drone is how small it is. Everybody knows the Mini is small, but only when you have it in your hands you realize how small it is. I have these tiny Donald Trump hands and the drone still looks small in my hands. Less than 250 grams is a good thing, even though infinite is not an issue, but the portability of this drone is one of the best features. I can take this anywhere, it is really convenient. And now about the cons, the biggest issue I have with this drone is the Fly app. DJI Fly is the new DJI app that works only with Mavic Mini. The app itself seems very good, no issues about that, but unfortunately it's not available in a lot of phones. DJI website only mentions the required operating systems to be iOS version 10.0 or later, or Android version 6.0 or later. But a lot of people are having issues with installing the app. For me, for example, it didn't even show in Google Play. After searching a bit online, I found out that your device must be running on a 64-bit operating system. Nowadays, that is still something that most phone shops online won't even tell you about, as it is seen as a not important thing. DJI created a list of phone compatibles with the app, but the list is very small and all the phones are very expensive on that list. I found a phone that will work with the app, even though it's not listed in the compatible devices. It is a Huawei BSmart 2019 version. It was really inexpensive, so if you are in a position where you have to get a new phone, I would recommend it. I will leave a link in the description. Another small problem I have is connection issues. I managed to get the drone to fly to up to 1 kilometer away, but quite often I get an interference notification and I have lost connection to the drone a few times. I admit it might be my fault for not positioning myself or the remote control properly, but still it is very stressful to lose connection on your drone all the time. On the good side, the return to home feature works well and after a while it will automatically comes back to you. But still, it is a scary feeling, just keep that in mind. My final thoughts are that this is an amazing drone. I'm very happy I got it and I recommend it to anyone. Just be aware that this is a budget drone and doesn't have the pro features you'll find in other ones. And keep in mind the phone compatibility issues, that is a big one. Hope this video was helpful. I'll be posting more drone footage every now and then. Thank you for watching.